Dear students, today I am going to explain Honeycomb, the poem said. Said you can say the thin or thick cemented part which keep on the upside like you can say roof मतलब छादन जिसे कहा जाता है कि सीमेंट का लोग डाल देते हैं रहने के लिए ऊपर से छत का काम करती है। तो सेड का है डू यू नो व्हाट इज सेड इज अ काउ सेड टूल सेड ए वुड सेड फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट्स स्मॉल रूम away from the main house for storing or keeping thing animals tools vehicles. It's she ask your partner if she has ever seen said let's as I described earlier कि this is a small room especially which keep away from the house, and here sometimes cows are there, sometimes goats are there, or sometimes other animals are there. So, and one thing if any house is left out for many days, or many months, for many years, then someone said that there may be some ghost, there may be something which may horrible to you. So there is shade at the bottom of the garden with the spider web hanging across the door. When I am in bed, I lie and listen. I shall open door one day. The poet is saying when he was in childhood, there was a shade in bottom of our garden. मतलब उसके गार्डन में उसके बागीचे के में एक शेड था, and with spider's web hanging across the door, and where the webs of spider were hanging across the door, meaning there were many webs of the spider which were hanging roughly. The hinds are rusty and creak in the wind, meaning when winds blows the hinds rustly. When I am in bed and listen, I shall open the door one day. And when the writer was lying on the bed and listened that thing, he thought that I shall open the door one day. I shall go to shade and open the door of that window. There is dusty old window around the side with three cracked panes of glass, meaning that shade is surrounded by three cracked panes of glass with dusty old window. The window is very old and it is fully of dusty. You know why? Because there is no one is living, no one is there, so that one is dusty. I often think there is someone staring at me each time that I pass, and he is thinking that someone is there who always looked him very seriously. Steadily matlab look very seriously, and I shall peep through the window one day. Who looked him one day he will see from the window. My brother says there is a ghost in the shade, and now that one is writing. His brother says there is a ghost in that shade who hides under the rotten floorboards, who lives under the rotten floorboards, and if I were dare to set foot inside, he will jump out and chop off my head, but I will take a peek one day. As you earlier read that he is thinking to go one day, and as his brother listened, brother threatened him that there is a ghost, and when you will go there, he will chop your head, meaning he will cut by pieces your head. But I will not wait for that. I will go one day to see what is inside. I know that there is not really a ghost. My brother tells lies to keep the shade for his den. There is not anyone stirring or making strange noise, and the spider has been gone from his web since I don't know when I shall go that said one day soon, but not just yet. Now that is saying that he is well familiar that there is no any kind of ghost, there is no ghost uh, existence. So he knows well that there is no ghost. His brother tells lies to keep set for his den, meaning his brother speaks lies so that I may not go there. That may be a den for him. And spider is also left with his web since I don't know when. I don't matter when that spider left, but this is my promise. I will go one day to see the shade, what is inside there. But really, I want to say you that still now I could not go there. I could not go there because that is not in my life thinking about shade. I am so busy and I am so oh, busy in all kind of work that I have not time to think about that shade. Dear students, if you have understood, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.